Hi everyone, today I would like to discuss about rounding off a number. So let's see, I have a number of 61,702. If I want to round off this number to the nearest thousand, so how are we going to do? We will find out the number, the digit at the thousand place, which is 1. So the digit at the left of 1 will remain the same. The digits at the right of 1 will all turn to 0. And the digit at the thousand place, 1, will either remain or we will add 1 to this number. Okay, now we are going to know how are we going to decide whether the digit at the thousand place will be remain or added 1 to it. It will depend on the digits on 100 place. If the digits in 100 place is more than 5 or equal to 5, this digit 1 will turn to 2. We will add 1 to this, make it turn to 2. If the digit at the 100 place is less than 5, this digit will remain the same. So look at this example. Round off to the nearest thousand. The digit at the left of 1 will remain the same. The digit at the right of 1 will all turn to 0. Now, the digit at 100 place is 7, which is more than 5. Hence, we will add 1 to this digit, make it turn to 2. How about round off to the nearest 100? We will look at the digit on 100 place. The digit at the left of 7 remain the same. The digit at the right of 7 will all turn to 0. Now, we're gonna look at the digit at the tens place to decide whether the 7 will remain the same or turns to 8. So the digit at the 10 place is 0, which is less than 5. So 7 will be remain. How about the third one? Round off to the nearest 10. The digit at the left of 0 will remain the same, 6, 1, 7. The digit at the right of the 0 will turn to 0. So, nearest to 10, we look at the number at the ones place. So, this digit is 2, which is less than 5, means that 0 will also remain the same. How about we round off a decimal number? If I have the decimal number 7.853, now I'm going to round off this to the nearest one. If we want to round off this to the nearest one, we have to take the digit at the first decimal place to make a decision. So same as the example here, the digit at the right of 7 will all turn to 0. And round off to 1, we will take this number to decide. 8 is more than 5, then 7 will turn to 8. So the question is round off to the nearest one. If the number at the right of the decimal point, we don't write this. So the answer will be only 8. Look at the next question. Round off this number to one decimal place. So the digit at the left of 8 will remain the same. The digit at the right of 8 will turn to 0. So we take 5 to decide whether 8 will remain or turns to 9. 5, so 8 will turn to 9. However, the question is only one decimal places. So the 0 after one decimal places, we don't write. So the answer will be only 7.9. The last question. Round off to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. The digit at the left of 5 will remain the same, 7.8. So 3 is less than 5, means that this 5 will remain. So the 3 returns to 0, we have to write down. So the answer will be 7.85. That's all for today. See you in the next video.